So in this today's video, we are trying to use the match function to try to look up for the data in a particular data set. So in this instance, on my tabulation here, I have two columns, which is employee name and the month in position. So in this particular instance, we are trying to look which row or which place to match a place in this tabulation where we can find the data that we want or particular employee that we want. So in this case, we will try to look for someone with experience of 90 months in our dataset so that we can identify which role that person is. So to do that, we use our match function whereby we go to formulas. Then on these formulas, we go to lookup and reference, and then we look up for the match function. So on the match function, we have three criteria that we need to fill in. Firstly, which is lookup value. So for lookup value, what value are we looking for in our data set? In this case, we are looking for someone with 90 months of experience. So we put in 90 months. And the lookup value is now the table we are trying to pick our data from, the column we are trying to refer to. In this case, it's from B2 to B16. In match function, we will put 0 as we want an exact match. So we put 0 and then we say OK. As you can see here, it then says it then gives us 5. So the row 5, that's the row with the employee with experience of 90 months. As you can see here, this is the row 5. We use Tom with 90 months of experience. So this is a single function of the match function.